Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno 15F, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So, to get started, you will want to navigate into your settings. And in here, let me just go back. When you're located in the main settings page, you will want to scroll down to About Device, and you will find storages right here. So just click on this. Doesn't matter which one, SD or anything like that. It's just one big button. And first thing it will show you is your phone storage. So we're going to swipe down, and you will find at the bottom your SD card. Click on it. And then at the bottom of that, you'll find Format SD card. So we're going to click on that. It will give us a quick message. This will clear all data stored on the SD card. This action cannot be undone. Format anyway. Obviously, if you store anything on your card that you would like to preserve, photos, videos, I don't know, music or anything like that, do make sure you have it backed up somewhere else. Otherwise, this data will be deleted and this cannot be undone. I don't have anything on mine. As you can see, it's kind of empty right here, as this is a fill bar. So I'm just going to select Format SD card. Give it a moment, and it should be right about done. There we go. So SD card formatted, and you can see it's right here, formatted, ready to go. So that's about it. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.